Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Chipmunk Beauty, and I am back with another video. It's been like a whole month, but a lot has happened. As you can see, I got me some lighting. Yes, I got me a ring light, and I am super excited. Oh, there's stuff in the room. But yeah, expect more stuff on this channel, teaming up with other YouTubers coming soon. So I'm done talking, but before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, make sure you leave a nice comment, share this video, and yeah, spread the word. So yeah, I'm done rapping. Let's get into the video. So I'm done talking, but before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, make sure you leave a nice comment, share this video, and yeah, spread the word. So yeah, I'm done rapping. Let's get into the video. Okay, so I already did my brows off camera just because I feel like it takes up time to show it, but I will be posting how I do my brows. If y'all want to see that, leave it in the comment section if you want to see it. But I'm gonna go right in with the Master Conceal by Maybelline in the shade medium, and I'm just going to use this to prime my lids using this Real Techniques brush. And now we can just dive right into the look. Did it stop? So for this look, I kind of want to start incorporating more dramatic looks to my channel. So today I want to do something really smoked out with a lot of glitter. So I think I'm gonna do something very bronzy. So I'm gonna start off with this small blending brush. These two brushes actually came in a kit. I got it from Target. So these brushes are amazing. So I already primed my lids, and I'm going to go in with the BH Studio Pro palette by BH Cosmetics. Everything that I will use, I will try my best to find everything and link it in the description box. So make sure you check out the description box while you're watching this video. So I'm going to take this brown right here. I'm just gonna tap a little bit because this palette is very pigmented and it's very good for beginners, and it comes with a lot of colors to give you a lot of options for looks. So I'm gonna take this smaller blending brush and I'm just gonna tap this into the crease. Next thing I'm going to do, now that I have this brown nice and in the crease, and I'm going to take a lighter color just to blend out the harsh lines on top. And I'm actually going to be going into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, a holy grail. I think every beginner should have colorful if you like a lot of colors. So I'm going to take a mixture of the orange and the color right next to it, which is this. I don't want it to be too dull either, so I'm gonna take this and actually just blend right on top. Use the same one that I used the brown shadow for. I'm actually going to dip back into the Pro palette, but this time I'm going in with the black because we want that drama, you know. So I'm gonna dip into that black, grab a little bit, just grab a little bit, okay. And okay, we're back, and I'm just going to do the same. Okay, type of motions, the patting motions, and not the blending yet. I'm just going to take that right underneath the crease and tap it in. Okay. We look beat up. Next clip. So I think what I'm going to do next is just cover everything else with some black shadow, because I'm literally just gonna put some glitter over it. So the next thing I'm going to do is grab my glitter, and I'm going to use the NYX glitter primer. I got this from my beauty supply store, and I'm going to use this NYX glitter brilliance in the color GLI04. It's a bronzy glitter color. I don't know if you can see, but it's very bronzy. So what I'm going to do is take, I like using lip brushes to apply my glitter. I don't know why. I'm going to tap some glitter into the cap as seen on the video. So I'm going to take some glitter primer and I'm going to just apply some to the back of my hand. It looks like this. And I'm gonna take my lip brush. I'm gonna take, this one is for applying the glitter. Okay, now that I have my glitter on, I gotta blend some stuff out because it just looks like glitter black, you know. So I'm going to grab the brush that I use to blend with, and I'm going to take this bronzy color out of the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Dig into that, and I'm just gonna kind of dust it around the area just to blend everything together, just so it doesn't look like anything in this palette. But thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this look, how snatched I am, you see it? Snatched I am. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you like the lighting, if you love the lighting like I do, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to comment other things you're gonna want to see, and go check out this video I did with Mommy Imani. It's gonna be on her channel. I'm gonna link that video down below. We did the spicy noodle challenge together, so if you want to check that out, it's gonna be down there. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, follow me on all my social media down below. I don't bite and I follow back too. So yeah, there'll be more videos to come, so prepare for me to be more consistent all 2019, consistent videos. So I'm gonna try to post, if not once a week, every other week, because I start school next week and stuff, so she's gonna be busy. But I am done rapping, so enjoy the rest of your morning, noon, or night whenever you're watching this video. Enjoy it the rest of your time in this day, night, whatever. Okay, Chipmunk Beauty out. Thanks guys, love you, bye.